my flower patch. It's the 19th of August and one of my Facebook, Twitter, I'm not sure, Instagram chums commented that they hadn't seen a video from me for a little while. So here goes. Sorry, it's been a bit busy. Lots of things are growing nicely. That's bronze fennel, which I first got a plant from my very good friend Emma, and now it's looking gorgeous. So things are looking pretty flowery here. The Ami Majus and Visnaga is looking amazing. This is been picked loads. I've picked loads and loads and loads of Alstroemeria. I've just stripped through the bed and done some tidying up, so we'll have more blooms there. It's a bit dahlia-tastic here at the moment. We have dahlias planted in 3 different areas, so they're looking quite amazing here. These are the dahlias that have been in raised beds, and so these haven't been dug up over winter, they've just stayed there. So they've done pretty well. The rest of the patch is looking very, very, very flowery. We've got some beautiful sedum just there in dark red and green. Caladium behind it, some limonium, a couple of veronica, all sorts of bits. I'm not sure if you can see down to the bright buzz of cosmos down the bottom. So the pink of the cosmos. What's down there? What I really want to show you today is the new area. So we've got scabious, cornflowers, snapdragons here and here. Gladiolus been picked, unpicked and picked and picked, but they're still doing their business. But the new area, there's a bit of cardboard blown up. It's a bit windy today. The new area up here is looking mighty fine, if I do say so myself. We've had some lovely volunteers this year. I'll just move this so you can see. Sorry about that, zinnias. Had some lovely volunteers here this year, and they've all played their part in making this new area come to life. We've got, sorry, I'll do that again. These are zinnias down the front, looking wonderful. And we have a mass of rudbeckia in all sorts of varieties. We've got penstemon and helichrysum lupins, some of which the seed came from my good friend Paula up in Scotland, so she'll be pleased to see I'm growing them here. And then the dahlias, these are all my new ones. Most of these I've never grown before, I think, looking quickly, and they're just spectacular. We've got some amazing oranges and peaches, some really pretty ones. Let's have a look. I'll zoom in on that one. It's a sort of dusky salmony pink. This one I really like. It's got almost a glow of pinky orange to it. It doesn't show up properly on the film, but I can promise you it looks lovely. A few of the brighter pinks. A couple need deadheading, don't look too closely. And we've got some pale ones here. Ooh, and the wind is blowing again. We've got lovely new paths in all of this area, courtesy of some of our volunteers. And there are those lovely lupins again. So yes, as you can see, this willow hedge here was the old marker. And now we've got all of this as well. Now this one's turning into a bit of a marmite. There's plenty of people on social media who love it, but some of my customers are not so keen. What do you think? I really like it. It's showing up a bit more orange than it does in real life on the film, but I really like it. I think it's got a real character to it. So if you care to comment, I'd love to know about it. That's cherry brandy. I've grown that for a few years, but this one's a new one. Cherokee Sunset. I'm really partial to it, but not everyone is. It's interesting. Okie dokie. Well, that's about it from me for today, and I'll speak to you soon. Hopefully it won't be quite such a long gap. Bye for now.